What's the meaning of chenille? Chenille. Chenille.
Chenille. Chenille. Chenille is a fabric characterized by its soft and fuzzy texture. It is typically made from cotton, silk, or synthetic fibers that are twisted together to create a tufted pile resembling caterpillar fur. Chenille can be used for a variety of purposes, such as upholstery, bedding, and clothing. The fabric's unique texture gives it a luxurious feel and appearance, making it a popular choice for high-end home decor items. Its distinctive appearance also makes it a highly recognizable and sought-after material in the fashion world.